So here's how to embed Canva document into your website. It's pretty simple and easy to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you can take all of the steps. Okay, so now first I'm going to open my Canva design, which I want to embed into my website. So here's the design. Now follow these steps to embed it on your website. Click on the Share button in the top right corner, click on More, and then select Embed. Copy the HTML code. Go to your website and paste wherever you want the design to appear on your website. So here's my WordPress website. And once I'm here in my blog post, I'll click on this button which says Add New Post. It'll take us to this page. Let's just say this is my first blog post. Now I'll click on this plus icon so that I can select the HTML block. Now I'll paste that copied HTML link here. And now I'm going to click on Preview to view the design. Here you can see that our Canva design has been successfully embedded into our website. Remember that if you have more than one page within your Canva design which you want to embed, then all of them will get embedded as a slideshow within your website. The best thing about this is that even if you make any change to your designs in Canva, maybe even using your Canva mobile app, the changes will reflect on the website as well, so you don't even need to go to your blog post to manually update the images.